Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And for today's video, I will try my best to guide you through the task 1 wet writing. Hopefully, you are my student who is trying to deepen his or her knowledge on what I have taught you in class, or you are one of the weaker ones yang perlukan lebih guidance at your own pace with a video that you can pause and rewind as many times as you wish. And if you are new here, I hope that this video can benefit you and help you in understanding what to expect from wet writing. Okay, so let's start. If you are my student, I think you have received this writing formula. Dia ni macam bookmark yang ada task 1, task 2 and then some other notes about the general writing. If you are not my student, you can scan this QR code and go to directly to the document and print it out yourself that you can keep beside you whenever you try to answer this task. Okay, boleh scan QR code tu dan dapatkan benda ini sebelum kita start. Alright, first mestilah pasal format. It's either letter or email. Okay, kalau letter, format letter tu jangan lupa dia di sebelah kanan, bukan sebelah kiri. Ingat, sebelah kanan sebab dia kasih sayang. Makan di tangan kanan, jadi dia kasih sayang, jadi dia di kanan. One thing that I want to highlight is, if ever you get the question for letter, to be on the safe side, kamu guna balik saja the same address. Macam dia Kuala Lumpur jugalah. The postcode still remains the same. Change a little bit of number of the house, the neighborhood that you are in, the date, jangan terlalu jauh lah. Don't go too far to the future. Contohnya macam the question is 3rd July. Janganlah sampai tiba-tiba pergi August ke September ke. Tak berapa appropriate lah. Even though you will say in the letter, sorry for the late reply, janganlah sampai pergi berbulan-bulan ke depan pula. Nanti basi pula. Whatever the things that you are saying will be out of context due to the lengthy time spans between the two hypothetical letters, kan? Jadi mungkin seminggu kah, your reply should be at July 2021. Begitu ya. Kalau email pula, if you want to be on the safe side, to, from and then subject. Jangan lupa untuk gunakan format ni sebab when I was invigilating, jaga peperiksaan, I always encounter students who do not put in their format.